Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, Paris. Blessed Saturday morning to you from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. It's the first day of June 2019, a new month. We have never seen this day before. Now will we see it again? And I hope that when this little vlog reaches you, it may be that you're in your bed, cock up your foot, and you always are watching me down your eye. Hello, I'm helping myself. Today is Saturday, and yesterday was Camera Girl's birthday, the 31st of May. I don't know a long time, so she did go to school, so nothing could go on. So, you don't know, 16 now, we have to make you feel good. I'm a little done. So we are going to be, going out and about. She plan her little something, so I'm just supporting me as family, dad and myself, Kim and Jer. They support us. I don't know, I'm judging, me can't turn up 9 people in place. Favor some old, so me I go and help myself. So look at me ear now, me I put in some relaxer in my ear, and I'll adjust. Catch you in the next clip. Hi, hello, look at me ear now. You don't see me? I think I have this glare here. The sun are coming through the window. I may look dark, I don't know why. But anyhow, guess what? I kind of punk out the head. I'm just so sweating. Pari, may I go check back for you guys. So Pari, I am back. Camera Girl and her dad is on the road. So as I come now, so may I go come talk to you because it's been a long time, I know. Lord Debbie and I give you a little motivational talk. Lord, it's been a long time. I've got a lot of things to say, Pari, on my plate. I'm sorry. You know, if I have a lot of things on your plate, I may have to try to see how best I can. I don't know if I can manage them. But my diamond, I soon reach back up to Pari. So may I say so? Oh God, the time Pari, me just turn on the AC. The time we had in rain all along up to Thursday, And just to the first I do, I say a piece I eat. I tear in it. So I just do the look here. I'm just slightly blow it out and me I sweat. And I just turn on the AC. So it'll take a time, So Pari, I don't know. So yeah, she just called me. Yes, it's my head not right though. Too much things on my brain and I'm so sweating. I'm just turn on the AC. I just like about 2 minutes ago. Maybe it was the fan must have want to turn up a little more. So Pari, she just called me. Pari, Camera Girl is just 16. She not big baggy. She's searching for a half bra. She uptown half a tree. $4,000 for a half bra for a little teenager, Pari. Oh God, man. That one there bad. Don't comment. I told her don't bother. We'll find a different solution. $4,000 for a little half bra for a little teenager where her boobs, she don't even have big boobs. So Pari, at lunchtime with me now. So I'm not really, some people in my household here like quick oats, but me prefer the old fashioned. But my hungry, I can't wait for the old fashioned. So me I go get a little oats in. Me I go make some dragon and milk and oats. Cause guess what? You know something I eat from morning. I'm just remembering that I haven't had any breakfast. I didn't even have a cup of tea. Cause I wake up early. I try to get out. I don't see how the head stay, But let me tell you something, you see, Pari. So when I have all the things I deal with, you know it well. So I am making a little oats. When last year I'll make this. Oats, raw oats, Jamaica. You know, remember them thing there, I milk, but me I put some dragon in mine. Maybe not all. I'm using the dragon as the liquid. So me I make the little lunch here. I'm gonna be cooking something. Camera Girl is going out. We go out later. So, as I said before in the first part of the little vlog here, I might little vlog this after me thing this way I do. So I'm just doing like a little oats and milk. So meanwhile I make it, me and Uno attack little. So me I say, what's that? So I'm just selling it. I wash my dragon and I put it in my fridge little. I wash my milk and take off. Not that I have to say it. But just saying, yes, so me I say. So, me I make me little dragon and oats and milk and me there, so. I want to cook something before I leave because it's all the way at 6 in the evening. And I think it's just like 12 or a little past 12 now, so may I try. So how has it all been going with you all? What's up? I want to realize so me not have no WhatsApp number. May I work on one here right now, man. Matter of fact, I have one, but I'm working on a phone to put it in. So I don't know, so if you not hook me up, you know, have to use the Instagram and the email. So how have you all been doing? What's going on with you? How life, how things, how everything. I'm giving thanks no matter what happens. May I give thanks. When last you met this? But the quick quote saying a power, I think some could have it now. I still have to go wait to rusty here. You know when you feel like your stomach empty and you can't wait. But I've got to wait a little bit on this because it's really like so, it's so coarse. I thought it would have been softer. So I'm going to go and put it there. So look how you all been good doing. How life, how things. Hope you are hold on. You know? Holding on. Still being good. Still being a good boy. Still being a good girl because your day is coming. No matter what go on, you know this is the journey of life. Your journey is different from mine. All of us journeys all different. Sometimes me or other person think that our journey is the roughest, but when we hear our next person's journey, it is so burdensome, so hard. And some of you all call me, well, me not have no WhatsApp now. Well, a few of you, you know, I gave out a WhatsApp number to just a few people. You know, but I'm going to get an official one and then everybody can have back my number. But let me tell you something. On this journey of life, I come to the realization that each and every one of us journey is a different one. You know? We're not going to get, well, we can't wear the same clothes. Not true. We can't have the same direct, same something. We would be mistaken along the journey of life. Not true. So I'm here. I'm giving thanks. Me not wear worse man. You remember them old time talk there? Me not wear worse man. Me die the same way. Me I give thanks. You know, but you know, sometimes when you have so much on your plate, you need to take a little break and all of that. Last week was this past week here was a rough week for me. I'm not put up no video because it was just so rough. I wasn't sick or anything, but I just had a few things to be doing up and down, and I just found myself getting so tired. So may I try to see if I can catch myself and all of that something. So may I have a look up. Ironing, I hate ironing. And I have 2 little adjustments to make to some garment and stuff. So I'm going to catch my little, you know, my little ketchup here. I've got to cook something. So when you see me back again, me show now me I cook. And of course, me I go show now me stay before me left out of the house. This is my little, you know, my little Saturday vlog. Because you know, sir, the after, yesterday was the birthday, but she had to go to school, so nothing couldn't go on when she come from school. You know, so today she go enjoy herself and all of that. So me there, I go cook look me show now me I cook. So when time I see me back again, you know I check me I go check in and a different movements where I go depend. See? Like a bit. Good morning, Paris. This is the second good morning for this little vlog. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Sunday morning. It is the 2nd of June. I mean, no one never see that day before. Neither will you see it again, or neither will we see it again. I just want to say, I never finished the vlogging yesterday. It became really, you know, upbeat and all of that. Because, you know, it was Camera Girl's like a birthday, 16th birthday celebration. Actually, you knew her birthday was the 31st, which was Friday. She had school on Friday, so we couldn't do anything. So we did it for the weekend. So, honestly, me never get to do nothing more. I didn't even make dinner, and the time just went by, and so many little stuff to do, and I got caught up in the moment. Wanted to vlog for you when we did wear. Well, you might just see a few little pictures of when I post on Instagram and stuff, but the moment was hers. It belonged to her, so me just make sure get it. So I'm just checking in with you to say we never finished, but I'm making a little continuation. Today is Sunday, and if you're not cooking, please send some dinner for me, because I'm not cooking, you see. I'm just chilling. So maybe I'll go live later on the cooking channel. Maybe not. So you might catch me there. So this is just to say I did not finish yesterday's vlog, so I'm just checking in to say hope you're having a blessed Sunday. Hope everything is okay with the fam bam and all of that. You're cooking some good Jamaican cooking journey, Sunday dinner and all of that too. So just want to say thank you too for your support. Thank you for your birthday wishes. I've posted a few little stuff on Instagram. I never get most of the clipping, you know, because I'm really tired. So I just posted what I had. There are more to come though from Kim and Jer. Whatever I get from them, I'll post a few more. But I'm gonna still not want to follow up the Instagram list. I might on my cooking journey Instagram, so I might just post the rest on this year, DebbieDebs_. So I just want to say thanks. And also I want to send a little shout out to Diana. Yes, Diana O from Canada. She was such a strength for me. Because honestly, I never know so being 16 as a girl. It is so much now. To be honest, I'm not going to lie. And I want to give a big shout out to my sister, Diana. She said, Debbie, oh yes, you got to let her feel good. Diana, big up yourself. Also, I want to say thanks to Angela Hamilton. Angela, you know the thing. And all of that, you know. So that's just what I'm saying. And also, again, a big thank you to all the birthday wishes that you sent out from her on Instagram and all of that. I guess she's coming with her own thank you too. I'm just saying thank you, you know, for that little motivation, because it came to my page, so I can just, you know, probably respond right here. So I'm just gonna be in the next clip. I'm gonna be just, most of her activities were with her friends. We did not want to vlog our friends. A matter of fact, she vlogged, she had videos, but we don't want to put it on YouTube with her friends there and all of that. We don't want to do that. So I guess she has a clip or two with she alone. So I guess in the next clip following, you'll see a little bit of how she look in her dress and all of that, and her little birthday settings. So you too can, from there, you can just say what you want to say. You see what I'm saying? Thank you so much for your love once more. Thank you so much for your support. So that's all the things that you'll see her in the next clip. See? Also, Paris, so there you have it. That's the best we could have gotten from her little birthday party. As I mentioned before, most of it was just, and as you would expect, it would be she and her friends. We were at one table and she was at the table with her friends and all her cake and stuff. And unfortunately, nobody vlogged at the other table that we were eating at. So I guess we did too boring. The spotlight was just on camera girl and all of that. So I know you will leave your comments below. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And all of that we have got to make up for, you know, a week or other ago where we're not post. I'm just going to make up for that big time. So, you know, me I go close out for now. And that's just it. And we now leave without we put on that one here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer, pantapatting, 16 or not. See?